you're going to want to not miss the moment where I'm wearing my meta glasses and I'm checking out a slow drip right there, and the pipe busts out of the fitting and it becomes Niagara Falls. You're not going to want to miss it. Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, cold.
Cold.
Cold, no water, nothing.
No water? You got the heat on?
No.
Why not?
Let me explain everything to you. Okay. It's been a nightmare. All right. Okay, let me put the light on so you can see going down the step. It's like when we had the real cold, this pipe in the basement broke and started gushing down water.
You got no heat.
No, I had to turn the boiler off too.
Why turn the boiler off? You have a steam boiler.
Right, but see the thing about it is the water, I'll show you, the water in the boiler wasn't holding in this little tube.
Okay.
It kept running down and the red light would come on and it was making me nervous.
Yeah.
So I turned the boiler off. The water's completely turned off.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you have a burst pipe here.
Yeah. You want me to put the water on so you can see exactly how it's coming down?
I think I see what's going on here. Oh, no, hold on. These are closed. Those are abandoned in place. Well, want you to turn them? I don't know. Honestly, I don't know what I want you to do. Just open up a little bit.
Okay. Watch out.
All right.
Come down.
Yeah, but if you don't have any heat, it defeats the purpose of having water. But all right, just a little bit. Crack it open a little bit. Let's see what's going on here. See where it's coming from. Oh man, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. We plumbers, we protect the health of a nation. How bad do you think this is gonna be, Derek? Oh, okay, hold on. Okay, turn it off. You got multiple leaks. This is like the definition of insanity.
Just here like less than 2 weeks ago, he checked the boiler, did the maintenance on the boiler, but for some reason, it wasn't holding the water in this tube right here.
Yeah, how often do you have to add water?
Not often, but yesterday I had to keep adding it like every 15 minutes. This red light and everything in the box kept coming on.
Yeah, maybe you're losing water.
Yeah, it was losing water and everything from this. It kept coming out this tube. Cause like I said, your company just serviced this like less than 2 weeks ago, the boiler. So, but it made me nervous when I saw the red light and the water kept dripping out this little tube right there.
All right. Well, I know this sounds crazy, but we need to add water to this boiler and turn the heat on. So, and you have multiple. Okay. Yeah, just turn on the water.
Okay.
We're gonna have to add water to the boiler. It is what it is.
She says she sees water coming from the tube.
Yeah. Hold on. Let's do this quick. So, right now I closed that valve. And that valve over there to isolate this loop off the bottom of the boiler. We're gonna see. Let's see how bad that flood is over there. Oh shit! Yeah, that's... We got water everywhere. But we need to get water in the boiler. All right, tell her to turn off the water main.
turn off the water.
Alright. Still flashing now. Alright, why is it still flashing red? It's a whole other question. There's freaking water in the boiler. Is it auto reset? No, there's a reset button there. Test button. Does not think there's water in this boiler. Oh man, that stupid light. There's literally water in the boiler, but I think there's no water in the boiler. Alright, unusually long delay, but finally, thank God the green light is on. The PSC 80224. Control, lower the cutoff. We're gonna monitor the water level. Let me go show you the disaster on the other side of the basement. Alright, so we have a split right there. Alright, and what I'm gonna do here is I'm just going to cut this back here. I'm gonna put the valve on there and voila, a la peanut butter sandwiches. And over here, we have a split right there. So I'm gonna try to do some magic there, and that valve is rotted away. But I wonder if there's any other splits in there, and I don't think so. Doesn't appear to be, but it probably is. It probably is. God knows. So hopefully I can fix that over there, and then restore the water now that the heat is on, and then we can figure out where else all this water's going in the boiler. Okay. Now.
Oh.
Yeah. There's one. Close that. Now, there's another one there. I don't even know where that's going. Where is that going? God knows where it's going. I don't know how this thing's going. Why is it here in this bay? It's capped off. So I gotta cap that off. Maybe I'll do it right here. Oh God. Cocky galore here, Bo. Cocky galore here. Alright. We'll cut that tubing cutter right here. Half inch press cap, preferably. All right, let's turn the water back on. Hope for the best. Oh, the water's on. Okay. Oh, I don't know what's up with that. Another one. Yeah, 1 second though. Wow, yeah. Hot water leak. Hey, Derek, this is Mikey Pike's News Network. Have you ever seen some wild shit like this in your life? Wow. All right, so the water is coming from that pipe there, going to that T, which is going this way, which is kind of abandoned, and then going this way to this line. So we need to turn the hot water back onto the house. So if I could somehow clean that up, I have to clean that up, press a new fitting there, coupling, whatever, T. I don't know, man. We got to figure this out. All right. Took care of that T by getting rid of the T and getting rid of this line, which goes nowhere. And pressed in a coupling, a 90, and a valve. Let there be something here. That's good for us, bro. Okay, water's on. All right. Water's on. It's a disaster. But the heat is now on and the water's back on. It's how cold is in here, huh? Handled while maintaining the homeowner's dignity. That's what we plumbers do. Protecting the health of a nation. Thanks for watching. Smash that thumbs up button.